This film is born from the soul of Haiti and from my pen as its author. I am Jumel Pluvios, and I offer you not just a story, but a legacy. Here you will see how chains were broken, how fire and faith gave birth to a free nation, and how one humble bowl of soup Joumou became the flavor of liberty itself. This is not simply history. It's memory alive, carried across oceans, shared at every New Year's table, and now brought to the screen for the world to witness. I invite you to watch with an open heart, to remember with us, and to honor the spirit of January 1st. This is Soup Joumou, Haiti's gift to freedom.
Every New Year, across Haiti and the diaspora, families gather. They stir a golden soup, steam rising like memory. They call it Soup Joumou, but its flavor holds a history, a story of chains broken, of courage claimed, of a people who taught the world what freedom looks like. Saint-Domingue, the French jewel, the most profitable colony of its time. Plantations feeding Europe's appetite for sugar and coffee. But that wealth had a price. 500,000 men, women, and children forced into brutal labor.
The economy depended on human bodies. Owners treated people as stock, and brutality was routine. It created conditions where rebellion became the only moral choice.
Yet in secret, old worlds persisted. Songs, languages, rituals, hope. In August 1791, a gathering in the forest crystallized a vow. They met not as slaves, but as a people about to take their freedom.
No pap viv comme esclave encore. No leve et no pral gomen bagay sa ayouk li fini.
Pou zanse nou, pou piti nou, nou prete tèt nou.
The signal went out. Fields burned. The revolt began. The rebellion grew into a revolutionary war. Among its leaders rose Toussaint Louverture, a strategist who fused military skill with political craft.
We must organize. We must unite the people. We will use whatever means win freedom, cunning as necessary.
Louverture's genius was his ability to turn a slave revolt into a disciplined army and a political force.
We will not be slaves to any man, liberty or death.
What began as a local uprising grew into the greatest revolution the world had ever seen. For 13 years, the enslaved fought relentlessly, not only against France, but also against Spain and Britain, who sent armies to seize the colony for themselves. In June 1802, Toussaint Louverture, the brilliant strategist who led the enslaved of Saint-Domingue to the brink of full independence, was betrayed. Invited under a flag of truce by French General Brunet, he was seized, shackled, and shipped to a freezing cell in the Fort de Joux prison in the Jura Mountains of France. It was there, as snow fell outside his stone cell and his body weakened, that Louverture spoke words that would echo across centuries.
In overthrowing me, you have only cut down the trunk of the tree of liberty. It will spring up again from the roots, for they are many and deep.
Three imperial powers, France, Spain, Britain, felt the shock. In 1804, Victory changed the map of the world.
Nous te lève pour libet, nous fait libet.
January 1st, 1804, Haiti declared itself free, the first modern nation to permanently abolish slavery.
We welcome our honored representatives. First, from Africa.
Haiti, mother of freedom. When your people rose, you rose for us all. You showed that chains can be broken. For that, Africa, thank you.
When Simón Bolívar came to your shores, Haiti welcomed him, armed him, and made him promise to free the enslaved in liberated lands. Without your courage, nations across South America might still be colonies. We remember and we thank you.
Haiti proved the impossible, that black people could be architects of their own destiny. For African Americans, that truth changed our dreams into demands. We honor you.
Your revolution spoke across oceans. No chain is unbreakable. That moral clarity fed countless movements, including ours. India stands with gratitude.
When Greece fought for birthright and dignity, Haiti, though young and embattled, sent words of support. Today, we acknowledge that solidarity.
Brothers and sisters, friends from near and far, today, as the steam of this humble bowl rises toward the heavens, so too does the story of a people who refuse to bow. 221 years ago, on this very day, the world awoke to a miracle. An enslaved people had defeated the most powerful armies of their age. Not only did we win our freedom, we rewrote the destiny of black people across the globe. Let the world remember, Haiti was the first to enshrine, not just in law, but in living reality, the universal truth that all men and women are born free and equal. Before others dared to speak it, Haiti proved it. Before others signed it on paper, Haiti bled for it. We are the pioneers of human rights, the living proof that liberty is the birthright of every human being, and that no empire, no army, no chains can take it away. Our freedom was born in fire, in faith, and in the unbreakable will of men and women who dared to say, liberty or death. They fought barefoot with empty stomachs, but their hearts were full of love for a land that would be free. And so, on January 1st, 1804, we declared to the world, never again would we be owned. Never again would our children be sold. Never again would the color of our skin be a chain. That day, we took the forbidden soup Joumou, once a luxury of the slave master, and made it ours. We lifted it high as our declaration. We are free people. Since then, every spoonful has carried the taste of independence, the flavor of defiance, and the warmth of unity. But Haiti's freedom was never just for Haiti. Our victory broke the myth of white supremacy. It gave hope to Africans torn from their homeland. It inspired uprisings in the Americas. It offered shelter to those who fought for freedom in South America, in Greece, in every corner of the world where liberty struggled to breathe. Yes, our roads have been hard. Yes, our trials have been many. But our soul has never been conquered. And as long as the soup still warms our tables, the fire of 1804 still burns in our hearts. Today, we do not only bless the soup, we bless the courage it represents. We bless the hands that prepare it. We bless the ancestors who won it for us, and we bless the future generations who will inherit this sacred tradition and keep the flame alive. To all nations represented here today, thank you for standing with us, for recognizing the blood we shed so that the world might be freer. Let us drink this soup together as a family, as a world bound by the same dream, freedom, dignity, and justice for all.
Nous rassembler ici là, en bas ciel men qui te temwem bataise en set nous yo. Nan van kap souffle, nan te a an ba pe nous, nan tout kout lo, nan lan me a présence yo la.
We call on the courage that broke chains, on the wisdom that refused to bow, on the love that fed hope. May that spirit live in this bowl and in all who taste it. This soup is our patrimony, our sacred heritage and national treasure. Before we drink, we bless it, for it holds the memory of our liberty. To our brothers and sisters, do you believe freedom is a right?
Yes.
Do you honor the courage of those who fought for it?
Yes.
Will you stand together today and forever as one family of liberty?
Yes.
Before we drink, let us speak together the oath of freedom.
Mwembwe supsa anonezansetyo, mwembwe supsa apukende kuradio vivananwen, mwen pral kampe kont esclavage nan tout form li, mwen pral defend dignité chakmon, mwen protege liberté yo te akiri aksan yo, mwen se l'expressa a avay generasyon kap vini.
By this oath we remember, by this oath we unite, by this oath we live free. From our ancestors to our children, this is the taste of freedom.
They drink together, a world gathered round a bowl. The act is simple, but the meaning runs deep. Solidarity, memory, a living vow. If this story lives in your bones, the book Freedom's Flavor goes deeper. From the cane fields to 1804, from Haiti to Bolivar, Garvey, Mandela, and Gandhi. One small nation, one bowl of soup, a freedom that still ripples across the world.
Remen soupla, lèvres grandies, ou pral passe liba timoun ou
Mami Liban.
From the battlefield to the banquet, Haiti's victory is carried forward in bowls and in song. The recipe is memory, the feast, a lesson. Haiti taught the world something hard and beautiful, that freedom is not given. It is claimed, cooked, and shared. May we bless it, protect it, and serve it for generations to come. To journey deeper into Haiti's revolution and the sacred story of Soup Joumou, get Freedom's Flavor, the story of Soup Joumou and Haiti's global legacy by Joumou Pluviose, available now on Amazon. Link in the description and pinned comment.